Welcome back, guys. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope, it's great. Been busy this week. So busy I hadn't really been able to do a full in-depth video. But I went through a couple really dirty vents. Okay, let's see. So this first one, this one's terrible. 11 years, no maintenance on their dryer vent. And the homeowner is outside on this one too. So it's pretty funny to hear her reaction. But this one goes through the crawl. But again, 11 years is a long time. Watch this.
And it's funny because the lady I talked to yesterday, she's like, yeah, it takes forever for my clothes to dry. I'm like, yeah, that's why.
That's right.
Duh.
Clean your dryer vents.
But even if you guys did a commercial that said, hey, it takes forever to dry your clothes to dry, holy shit. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Over the years, it adds up. Dryer's already breathing better.
Holy cow.
Woo.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you felt it getting in. Oh my God.
Yeah, anytime you hear the drill, you hear like it's grinding on itself, it gets in the hair. And
Hey, Ronnie, come here.
it's pretty bad. But don't go anywhere yet, guys. I'm not done. Just watch.
So now, even people buying houses, they should need to have that cleaned before.
Most of the inspectors nowadays are picking up on it.
I didn't even know you look at that. See what it's got.
Yeah.
I need that video. I'm gonna send it to my friend. If you don't mind seeing it.
No worries.
Or just take a picture when it's done. Holy cow. Is that not good?
They don't tell you that when you drive. Don't be telling me.
They tell you not, all they tell you is it'll be $1,000.
Yeah.
Do now.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? Now you know.
That builds up after time and time.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably been whatever. But the people before me probably never did it either.
It's been a while.
So, but I mean, we do a lot of laundry too. I used to have the stove coming up. I just wanted to see it, make sure you. And then tell me it almost started. I didn't smell it the first time, but we got something with that.
Imagine that claw in.
There it is. I got it.
All of it. So you can tell it went on.
Oh yeah.
Imagine that claw in. Because my house in Congo, a dryer is here. I guess he's still missing out of wall or whatever.
Goes straight outside. Oh, I can feel it. When you hit that clog and it finally breaks free, you can feel it.
Just like a drain in the water. So this is the first time I see.
Yeah. It's completely different. You can hear the dryer now.
Oh, yeah.
Is that the only one?
I don't know what the other vent is. What's the other vent?
You said it's a finished basement downstairs?
Yeah, but there's nothing.
Is there a bathroom?
Yeah.
That one was bad. This next one's pretty bad too. This one, second floor dryer goes down, comes out in between the first and second floor. This one had been 9 years. So between these two jobs, we're talking about 20 years of no maintenance, 21 years of no maintenance. But watch this one. Guys, hit that like button for me if you can. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Doesn't cost you anything. All it does is keep you up to date and let you know when a new video comes out. So it's not like you're paying money for a monthly subscription or anything like that. So like button, subscribe if you're not, and heck, share it across. Share it any way you can. Share it with your family. A lot of this stuff matters. Let's do it. Told you, both of those were great. And again, guys, I'll get back to a regular schedule, but it's a pretty busy time right now, and I'm not complaining. Steve, Almetal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. Guys, you've been checking it out. I can't believe it. The reason I started this channel was just to really advertise the Periscope. And it worked, but I've met some really cool people along the way too. So, till next time, thank you guys.